My name's William Hoare. I'm the winemaker at London Born Wines. We are a winery and we also do events, and we are also a agro-tourism destination. We opened in 2011. Our first commercial vintage was 2010. We actually rebranded about 5 years now because we were previously Oral Wines.
My name is James Hoare and I am the vineyard manager. The whole property is 50 acres and we have about 15 acres planted. We just bought another vineyard on Cherry Avenue, which is about 10 acres roughly. And so, yeah, we're looking to expand down there eventually. We're beginning to be known for our reds. We've won quite a few awards for our Cab Franc, which we also grow on the property, and our Gamay is getting very well known too now.
People come back every year for our Old Vine Maréchal Foch because it's a variety that not a lot of producers are doing, and our vines are over 50 years old, so it's a little bit of a unique wine. I would say what sets us apart a little bit is, well, one, we are fairly small family-run operation, which I know a lot of businesses are around here. Also, we do try and employ some more environmental aspects, like having passive solar designs, a living green roof, and being aware of the products we use for cleaning and things like that. I guess it's when people generally like the wine, because there's a lot of time and effort being put into that customers don't always see. So when someone actually generally really likes the wine and just raves about it, it's like that's almost more important to me than a lot of things. Our short-term goals is just to obviously grow the business and get more presence and brand recognition, and just getting some people to come. And then our long-term goals are just be sustainable and be at a level where we can flourish and be successful.